Hi, my name's Allison, and I'm from techboomers.com. Today, you'll learn how to compose and send an email with Gmail. Sending emails are much easier and more convenient than writing a note or letter. Not to mention, Gmail makes the process pretty simple. Here's what you'll learn in this tutorial: how to compose an email in Gmail, when to use BCC or CC in emails, and how to format your email. Go to gmail.com and log in if you haven't logged in already. Please note that my Gmail may look a little different from yours. That's because I'm using a Gmail theme. You'll learn more about Gmail themes in our Gmail settings tutorial. Now, on the left-hand side, click the Compose button. A box will pop up in the lower right corner. In To are the recipients. This is who you are sending the email to. Click here and type in the recipient's email addresses. If an address is already part of your contacts, Gmail will try to match it as you type. Click the person's name in the drop-down menu that appears to quickly select them as a recipient. If you change your mind later and decide that you don't want to send an email to a particular person, click X beside their name or address. From will show your email address by default. On the right are the words CC and BCC. These stand for carbon copy and blind carbon copy. Clicking on either of these will open up new text boxes underneath the recipients. Here you can enter email addresses in these boxes in the same manner that was described for the recipient's To box above. CC or carbon copy lets you send a copy of an email to someone without making them the primary recipient. This is useful if you just want to pass along a piece of information to someone without expecting them to write you back. BCC or blind carbon copy does much the same thing, except the other people receiving the email won't be able to see that you sent it to this person. This is useful if you're sending a newsletter or a general email to a bunch of people, and you want to protect the privacy of the recipients who are BCC'd. This is the subject line. It's one of the first things that recipients will see in their inbox. Click here and type some information to let others know what your email is about. In the middle is the composition box. Here is where you will write your email. Click inside and then start typing to write your message. You can click the underlined A here to open or close the formatting menu. This lets you change how the content of your email looks in different ways. Most of these options are very similar to ones that you would see in a word processing program, such as Microsoft Word. Among other things, you can change your font or text size, add a bold, italic, or underline effect to your text, change your text color, format lists, and more. If you click the smiley face, you can enter an emoticon or smiley in your message. It will show up on screen wherever your cursor is clicked in the email. Click where you want to enter an emoticon. Then, click to add it to your message. If you've decided you don't want to send the email anymore, click the trash can in the bottom right. This will discard your draft. When you're done, click Send. A yellow banner notification will appear on your page. If you click View Message, you'll be taken to your Sent Mail folder. This is another advantage of sending emails. You can always reread what you have sent and received if you forget. Try sending an email to a friend or family member. Want to learn more? Click the blue button to check out more Gmail tutorials. Click the green button to find other website courses. And as always, click the orange button to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on the latest video tutorials.